Well, good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. I think on behalf of Apparel Export Promotion Council, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you, all member exporters, industry stakeholders, distinguished participants in today's important webinar on recent reforms in GST, way forward and impact on apparel exporters. Well, friends, you all know that GST brought a fundamental reform in the earlier indirect taxation landscape by merging and subsuming plethora of multiple taxes operating at the center and state level into a nationwide comprehensive tax, that is GST. Well, it integrated goods and services tax across all sectors, all supply chains, captured value addition at its stage, created seamless credit chain, and in the process removed what we call tax on tax or tax cascading, which has been the bane of the taxation structure. So multiple indirect taxes with assortment of taxable events, varying tax rates, lack of uniformity in classification principles, complexity in tax administration, and all of that were some of the inadequacies in the earlier taxation regime, which were well and truly addressed in the GST. But recent GST reform, which is also known as GST 2.0, removed, inversion in the GST taxation structure, including in our MMF textile value chain. And also it went a long way in rationalizing the tax structure even further. So the GST framework today, my friends, continues to evolve with a strong focus on improving compliance efficiency, introducing transparency, and facilitating ease of doing business. For the apparel sector, staying aligned with the recent changes, keeping abreast with the developments is not only necessary, it's an absolute must. Not only from a regulatory perspective, but also from maintaining operational competitiveness in the global market. So today's session, I think, assumes great relevance. Therefore, well, organized in collaboration with Center for International Trade Excellence, this webinar aims to provide valuable insights into the recent GST developments, practical compliance-related aspects, the broader implications for the sector, and all of that. We are pleased to have with us distinguished expert from site, who has extensive experience in the field and domain expertise. I think will provide valuable clarity on the recent developments and the practical aspects of the GST compliance structure. Their guidance and insights, I'm pretty sure, will undoubtedly help the industry better understand the regulatory framework. Well, at AEPC, we remain committed, as you know, to continuously engaging with stakeholders and facilitating knowledge-sharing initiatives that support growth, preparedness, and global competitiveness of the apparel export sector. Well, sessions such as these, I think, will play a very instrumental role in creating greater awareness and enabling you all to stay aligned with the latest policy changes and compliance developments. I'm pretty confident that today's discussion, expert-led discussions, would be highly enriching and beneficial. And I would encourage all of you to actively participate and take the utmost benefit. I once again extend a very cordial welcome to all our esteemed speakers and valued participants and convey my best wishes for an enlightening, engaging, and rewarding session ahead. Thank you very much.